So we had these two cars sitting outside today. We had two potential customers pop in wanting to get Toyotas done.
Nice.
Toyota Corolla and a Toyota Celica.
Yeah, I don't do these shoots at a breakneck pace by any means. Try to just be happy with each shot. I really like the softbox. Like usually I'm not able to get enough light out of it. How's it going? I was gonna take photos and I was just wondering if we were able to help you push out of the way or how's it going with the Jeep?
You don't want the Jeep in the background.
A guy can't just fix his Jeep in peace, I'm sorry. My gosh, that was kind of cool.
So this is original 1973 material that we found brand new in a roll. Wow. And we bought the roll so we could redo the interior.
I'll get you in it again, crank the wheel to the left, and I'll have you back up and I'll get the rear driver 3/4. And then that just leaves me the front couple of shots. Oh, wait, maybe I should try and get the train going by. It's shorter than some of them that go by. That's a cool view. And in through, yeah, I was thinking this might be kind of neat to shoot the wheel from back here. Yeah, that's good light. My gosh, I love sunsets.
And again, they bought this brand new.
Yeah, oh my gosh. People managed to save them. And yeah, I certainly haven't been picky about the backdrop, but at the same time, this this era car in this street is pretty perfect. Looking like a bit of a dream. I missed some of them certainly, but some worked out and with some editing.
You got to get something out of there. That one out right there.
I think that could work.